Hello, class. Miss Oakley had to head back east to check on her family. Today, I am introducing her substitute, who is all the way from France.
Bonjour les enfants. Oh, pardon. Hello, children. I am Miss Charlotte. I look forward to teaching you. Thank you, Sarah Cooper.
Please call me Ed. Now, before class starts, just to help break the ice, I am going to read another one of these devotions from Oakley's book, Devotion 26. When the unnamed relative of Boaz refused to marry Ruth, an unusual transaction then took place at the gate. Ruth 4:7. Now this was the manner in former time in Israel concerning redeeming and concerning changing, for to confirm all things. A man plucked off his shoe and gave it to his neighbor. And this was a testimony in Israel. Therefore the kinsman said unto Boaz, Buy it for thee. So he drew off his shoe. A man had left home that day fully dressed. He ended up limping home that day missing a shoe. But that shoe was merely a representation of the fact that he had missed out on something much greater. He shirked his responsibility as a kinsman redeemer, and in so doing, missed out on becoming famous and ending up in the line of Christ. Yes, God planned Ruth for Boaz, but that does not change the fact that this man did not do what he was supposed to do. What is his name? No one knows. Being known in God's eyes requires fulfilling the responsibilities He gives us. Do realize each and every day that seemingly small choices to shirk the responsibilities that God gives us have the potential to make us miss out on the great blessings that He desired to give us.
I like this story, Mr. Ed. The small choices do matter.
Indeedly do, Miss Charlotte. Every day we should do the basics God expects of His children. Have a blessed day.